We're at the Swiftel Center in Brookings, Jackrabbit Best Robotics. We're here to see if all the hard work we put into our robot is going to come to any fruition.
Best Robotics is a competition where high school teams build their own robot that will complete a series of tasks on the fields below. This year is a demolition game. They'll get points for knocking down buildings, bringing out trash. Depending upon the number of points they get per round, they'll go up and down in rankings, and then we'll have 2 seeding rounds, and then a wild card round, and then a finals round.
Robotics brings all of the smart kids together, all the people that build with their hands and think through problems. You'll meet a lot of people that are just like you, and it's very fun to get to know them. I know that I'm excited to move all the controls around and go up against the best.
It's a stressful payoff. There's a lot of work that you put into this, just building the robot and stuff, but there's no greater feeling than watching something you poured sweat and tears into work.
Some people will have a scoop arm that'll scoop things up, and other people will go the forklift route. And then there's people that didn't even make either of those. They made little clamps that they can clamp onto the light poles with. Well, I wouldn't say it's easy, but it's very intuitive. You'll look at how they did it versus how you did it, and it's very fascinating.
It's about all different components. It's not only the robot, it's about that marketing presentation and the engineering notebook and all those extremely beautiful booths out there.
It functions just like any other team sport would. You have people fulfilling their specific roles, and as long as the team is working together, it is working at its highest function.
A lot of the younger kids are the most excited kids you'll ever see, and that's what makes this more fun.
I think it's really fun because the game changes every year. You get to come and see what the team's built, how they're strategizing to try and get the most points, because it's not just about the robot that you built, it's how you use that robot to get points.
At the end of the day, robotics is built on a foundation of creativity. There's so many different aspects of it, from the programming to the construction to the marketing. There's gonna be something you like.
Robotics is fun because there's so many people here, and it is just a great event, and I love all the teams here.
I would say come join Robotics. It's a ton of fun, and I've never regretted it.
Come check out the Best Robotics at the Swiftel Center. You'll see some awesome robots and some better people.